guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are going to be Mod Podging some holiday cookie platters. You will need a glass plate from Dollar Tree. You will need some Mod Podge, and mine is the satin finish from Walmart, but the Dollar Tree Mod Podge is just fine. You will need some foam brushes. You will need some rubbing alcohol to clean your plate before you apply your Mod Podge. You'll want your scissors, and you'll want a paper plate also to put your Mod Podge on. And you're going to need some fabric. And I picked up this adorable Halloween fabric at Hobby Lobby. So this one will be really cute with caramel, apples, candy, cookies on it for Halloween. And then I picked up this red truck print with the cute little campers and red wagon. I picked it up also at Hobby Lobby. So this one's going to be perfect for Christmas cookies or fudge or any kind of candy. So make sure you clean your plate and turn it upside down. You're going to want to trim your fabric around your plate. You don't want to get it too close to the plate. Leave a little extra room. These plates are really popular at this time of the year. There's lots of good videos out there. We were doing some Mod Podge ornaments yesterday, and so we had everything out, so we decided to go ahead and do our plates early too. But you'll want to make sure you center up your design on your fabric. So I wanted the red truck to be in the center, so we made sure that when we cut the fabric that we had the red truck in the center. So I forgot to mention that before you cut your fabric, but make sure whatever item you want in the center of your plate, make sure you center it up before you cut your fabric. Then cover the entire bottom of the plate with a Mod Podge. And then you'll want to take your fabric pretty side down and line it up and cover your plate and press it down. Now you could use this little bondo spreader or whatever tool you have, but we found out that really our fingers work best, especially around the edges and on the sides of the plate. So do whatever works best for you. Just try to make sure and get all the air bubbles and wrinkles out, and if you see a spot that's kind of coming up or pulling up, add some more Mod Podge and then smooth the fabric back down, and you'll want to let it dry for at least 30 minutes or until it's dry. And then here's our second plate, and my daughter cut it out and she tried to center the puppies in the center of our plate. And I thought this fabric was so cute. Hobby Lobby has some really cute fabric right now for the holidays. It's a little bit more expensive than Walmart fabric, but it's really cute and it doesn't take a whole lot of fabric to do these plates. So same steps as the Christmas fabric. Just make sure you clean your plate first, cover the back of it or the bottom of it with Mod Podge, and then make sure you're putting your pretty side down on your fabric. Make sure you center up whatever item that you like. Okay, and this is my first plate, and it is dried for over 30 minutes. It's completely dry now, so she's adding a top coat, and then she made sure and got around the edges, and she's going to let it dry completely for another 30 minutes. When your plate has had time to dry from the top coat, you're ready to flip it over, and you're ready for your cookies to go on it. Now this Mod Podge is not dishwasher safe, so mine will have to be wiped clean with just a damp cloth. Now they do make dishwasher safe Mod Podge, but it has to cure for 28 days. In the description box below, I will write out a materials list and the steps for these holiday cookie plates. So I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.